shops, and then get on the boat. We are now back from the beach, or the boat, and it was pretty good. I threw up twice, which was not that great, but we're gonna head to Black Rock Beach because it's a little bit windy, so I'm gonna leave my camera here because I don't want to bring it and get sand on it. We're leaving right now to DT Fleming, not Black Rock. We are now back from the beach. We ended up going to DT Fleming, which is like another great beach. They had like 7, 8 foot to 10 foot waves today. But we're back. I took a shower and we're gonna eat some pizza, and I'm gonna film a sunset from here. We'll see how good it turns out, but hopefully it works, and then we're gonna go shopping.
That girl was walking like a big old wide-legged duck.
Which one? The condo right now. We parked over here. And we're heading to Lahaina, and then hopefully, depending on if the surf shop's closed or not, but we're gonna try and stop over there, and then we're gonna come back and get packed. So it's like 9:30, we're back from Lahaina and everything, and I finished packing. I'm pretty much done for the night, and I'm gonna go to bed early because I've been waking up, like, I woke up at 3 and then woke up at 6, so I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.